Did you know that 52% of hiring decisions are made within the first 5 to 15 minutes? This statistic highlights the critical nature of first impressions in interviews. Your initial response can set the tone for the entire conversation. The "tell me about yourself" question is your chance to shine right from the start. Understanding its purpose can help you craft a compelling response that aligns with the job you're applying for. Avoid oversharing or giving your life story. Keep your response concise and relevant to the job. Steer clear of speaking negatively about past jobs or employers, as this can create a negative impression. Don't sound robotic, keep your response natural and engaging. Practice your answer, but ensure it doesn't come across as rehearsed. Authenticity is key to connecting with your interviewer. Focus on the big picture of your background and align it with the job description. Highlight your strengths and achievements that are relevant to the role, showcasing your unique value. Show enthusiasm and explain why you're excited about the opportunity. Your passion can be contagious, leaving a lasting impression on your interviewer. Learn the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. This framework helps you structure your response, focusing on achievements and problem-solving skills. It's a powerful tool for interview success. Explore the WEP method: work, education, personal. This approach is ideal for those with less experience, allowing you to highlight relevant skills and enthusiasm. Tailor your response to the job for maximum impact. If you're not getting interviews, your CV might be the reason. You need one that actually shows off your skills, clearly, professionally, and without the fluff. That's where cvmaker.uk comes in. It's quick, easy to use, and helps you build a CV that gives you a real chance at landing interviews. So, head over there, get your CV sorted, and good luck, you've got this.